Hi, hope you're good. So I'm going to show you how you can update questionnaires, audios and answer in futures and everything. So you can directly access with this link. When you click on it, you will directly get into the admin panel. So here you will have two options. First one is age test items. I mean hearing test items, but if you want to change it's in backend. It's in backend, so no one can see this. No problem. Only can admin say this. So when you see want to add any new questions, new hearing test, then you can go through this. And firstly, I want to show the setup. When you click on setup, you can change the colors and the font actually. Let's see if I go there. For now,
Imagine that how
this is the
big is
problem.
space.
I know
Yeah.
this can be happened. So I need to figure out it. Hold on, it's a basic problem. And when I transfer from localhost to um, server, I need to change the link here. I forgot it. That's why it's showing. So don't worry about it. It's for one click. Here you can see this is the thing. I need to make it comment and remove this comment. That's it. Okay. Okay, this problem is fixed. So you can see in three questions like this. mm-hmm. Like blue colors. If I change the color setup, change the color to just like green, light green, save. If we go there, you can see it's turned into light green. If I want to change this one red to something like blue, and it can be a little darker, so it looks good. Now you can see everything is changed. Okay. So and if you want to change the font, like let's say I don't know which font it is, but you can't. I didn't save it. You can see font hasn't changed. So this is how you can make changes. So I have it's now case sensitive. If I show you, I just want to see the answers. You can see answer is, can you imagine, all in small letter. Just say this is the right answer, but I'm making it capitalize. Okay, when I click on submit, it's wrong because it's capital. The correct answer is this. So I hope you got it. It's now case sensitive. So let's see how we can add a new hearing test item. To add a new, hover on the hearing test item. Let's see, hover on the test hearing item, and you can see add new test item, age test item. Here is the main thing. You can see I will remove this. We don't need it actually. We don't need it. Let's. This is the question name. Like, uh, what is the name? Like this. Okay. What is the name? And here you need to add the audio file. You can just upload by clicking here. You can directly upload. Uh, like if you have this file in PC, you can directly drag and drop here. It's not an audio file actually. Or if you already uploaded it, and then you can just click on media library. Here you can see all audio file will be stored here, and you can just select and select it. So it will be selected. So this is how you need to select audio file for this question, and this is the answer. This is very important. So based on this audio, you need to put the answer. You can what you will put, that will be the answer. Like now you can see M is in capital and all other thing is small letters. So exactly this is the answer. I'm making it publish. That's it. Okay. Now if I go there, start exam.
Imagine that how big is space.
You can see now we have two
Yeah.
questions. Okay, and this is the answer now, but I'm making it M. Okay, and okay, you can see my is strong because my should be in capital. Let's see, another thing is I have tested one time, right? If I refresh, I have tested this one 3 times. Okay, I think there's a mistake because I have tested only one time.
Imagine that how
Let me take care about this. Don't worry, don't worry. All question, here is the all question, and if I filter with label red, there's no question found with this label. Let's select it. Let's select this as like a red label. Okay, and if you go to the next level and select the filter, and you can see this is the with red label. And go back again on, make sure I'm going to the next question.
imagine
Next question.
that how big
Next
is
question.
can you imagine
Hold on.
that how big is
Next question.
can you imagine that how big is
It's not going to the next question. Let me think about it. I think there's a problem. Don't worry. Do not worry. It not should be. I think there's two problem. Next is not working. In my local flash is working actually. Next is not working and the tested is not working, right? And filter is it's working. You can see I'm making it yellow. So now this is in yellow, right? When I call question, when I filter red, it will be blank because I have removed the what is the name is from red to yellow. If I select red, it's no. But if I select yellow, then it's show this one. Okay, so this is how they can filterize. So I hope you get it, how you need to define questions, you need to upload questions and user can filter with it. That's it. And let's
imagine that how big is space
and then
yeah
I'm working with the fixing where is problem. Don't worry, and if you feel any more problem then let me know. We'll take care about this also. Thank you so much for your time, and I think we can complete the order. I know it's not completed perfectly completed yet, but the thing is the order is in revision, and in revision orders are very harmful for us. So for our account it's very harmful. Please do something for us, please do this favor for us, and we will be really grateful to you. And we promise we will deliver it within 2-3 days, no problem. Just let us know what need to be changed. And we are providing the hosting service also for you, so you can trust us, no problem. Please do this favor for us. We will be really appreciated. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. Bye.